It is unconceivable. They really are unbelievable. For many kids, the places that should be fun, the spots where they go to play, are unacceptable. They are not safe.
This is ABC 6 News.
Every 2.5 minutes, a child is taken to the emergency room.
How safe is the playground your kids play on? Every year,
A lack of safe places for young people to play has left many kids with injuries and sent others onto the streets where they're getting hurt. Over 200,000 injuries take place on playgrounds every year. 35% of them are severe. The Injury Free Coalition for Kids is a hospital-based, community-oriented organization. And building safe places for kids to play is one way they're reducing injuries in 37 cities of this country's 10 federal trauma regions.
We got the idea that if we built nice playgrounds for children and their families, they'd get out of the street and into the playgrounds. But we had no idea when we started what a difference building a playground with the community would make.
In every community, building a playground has meant neighbors getting to know neighbors. And that's meant a stronger safety net for kids.
Can you hold that for a second?
Sure. Completed playgrounds have meant a whole new sense of community pride. And more times than not, that has meant neighborhood revitalization and the creation of a safer physical environment.
We, from our data at the Trauma Center, knew how children were getting injured, and we knew where children were getting injured. We didn't have the means to do anything about that. Injury Free allowed us the opportunity to target a geographical community, target specific injuries, and to bring people together to help take care of that.
They gave a boost to efforts at Bennett School of Detroit, where parents were selling pencils and kids' candy bars at 50 cents, trying to do it on their own.
Our parents in this neighborhood cannot afford private playscapes or swings in their own backyard. This answers that. Look at them running around, swinging, having a good time. Why shouldn't a child have that facility in their neighborhood?
And they have taken ownership of it.
Okay, Amber, put it in.
On this day, 6 months after it was completed, they were planting flowers. They said they were doing so because their playground is special.
It is the bestest playground that's ever been built.
It's like a part of history. When I grow up, I can remember.
It's fun now since we have a playground, because last time when we didn't have one, it was boring.
It was just all dirt and rocks. It was pretty sad.
School representatives say the diverse group of parents and the diverse student body spending time together on the playground makes their experience in the classroom better.
Our goal is to make our children feel good about themselves. Then they can feel good about learning in that classroom where it's not always easy for them.
People who work with the community say in building a better life for the kids is what makes the project worthwhile.
I love it. I really do. I mean, I wouldn't be here if I didn't care, and I love the program because it has a lot to offer.
Parents in the city of Providence, Rhode Island know the value as well. They could see how a playground they built will make a difference in their lives and the lives of their young people.
We'll try to take care of it and do the best we can to enjoy this for many years to come.
This playground is one of close to 20 made possible by the Allstate Foundation.
We're really, really proud to be partnering with you on this. We hope that you all enjoy it. We hope you get a lot of good use out of it. And I just can't think of a better use of our money.
In addition to providing financial resources, Allstate representatives have joined community members and representatives from the Injury Free Coalition for Kids in building playgrounds in each of the cities they've funded.
The injury prevention advocates have really had an enormously powerful impact on this city and our state and really on the country. And this notion of building playgrounds that are injury-free and is a wonderfully, wonderfully exciting concept.
People familiar with the project echo his thoughts. And what's more, they say it's good business.
It is a lasting gift to the community. It is something they're going to see every day. And they're going to recognize that this corporation made it happen. And they're going to support that corporation. I've seen it many, many times.
The director of the Allstate Foundation says it's the need and the results that keeps the foundation involved with the Injury Free Coalition for Kids.
The organization delivers on its commitments. It does so very professionally, and they are a wonderful partner at not only the national but the local levels.
In Miami, San Diego, Kansas City, and everywhere in between, the commitment is the same.
I work in the emergency department and I take care of kids who are injured every day. I have to go back and try to help kids not get injured and give them some place to play.
We've got to help the kids before they get hurt. That's what it's all about.
I think playgrounds are important for kids so they won't get bored. When it's kind of a nice day, like in lunchtime, we come out and play. It's fun to be on our playground.
My favorite part is the swings because you can go high, you can go low, you can go fast, and you can go slow.
The Injury-Free Coalition for Kids is a national program of the Robert Wood Johnson Foundation, located at Columbia University's Mailman School of Public Health. Please visit the website to learn more.